Hey Jacob, if you have this lure, just tell me. I just bought it and take this one off. Just you have this lure. This one. If you do, send me a text because I have my own YouTube channel. You see, its name is Heidi van der Merwe or Roblox, but you just spell Roblox. So yeah, just tell me. And you have this deep sea one for bass. And we have this one. Do you have this one? Oh shit, not again. Not again.